Really stupid one. What's going wrong? Okay. Shut down and now power on. Okay, and start. This is really stupid. Yes, here we have our charger. Here is next stupid things. It's blade. As you see, screws are very damaged, and there is no possibility to exchange them. So try to power on. Now it is off. Yeah. Now it is off. When you put on charger, it's going to red. It's charging. Then make a switch to on. Okay. And now is it charging? It's blinking to green, and on charger is it red.